Okay, so sir, I'm just coming from IIGJ, which is gems and jewelry body for training, and we're implementing the STAR scheme there. It's one of the biggest and very industry-specific training bodies that we're doing. As you also know, the STAR scheme is subsidizing the training costs, and it is also the training is being done on qualification packs and national occupational standards. Now, you being one of the biggest production units for gems and jewelry in the country, how do you see the training that's happening at institutes like IIGJ across the country on national occupational standards is benefiting you as an industry? Are you employing a lot of people from these guys?
Well, we do employ a lot of people, which is filer and designers. And early days there was no institute in that standards, and we were not able to get quality people. And since this scheme is king, so the artisans are getting more excited to learn and get certificates, like their education certificates they're getting. And they're learning more better than taking shorter time to learn. Earlier it was taking long time.
Right.
Now, like filer don't need to have 3 years or 2 years. They can learn in 3 months course or 6 months course like that, and they can work in the industry. Right. So it is helping to the industry.
Right. So sir, pehle, in the times before the qualification packs were there and other things, the good stuff was happening in the training centers. You were providing training yourself to these candidates.
Yes, right.
So with trainings happening on industry specific domains and courses, and trainings happening in very industry specific manner, has it benefited your industry cost wise, and time of training has been reduced, and are you benefiting at the business end of things?
It is benefiting a lot, because early days when we were teaching here, it was taking definitely more time, because we were looking production cycle, we were looking a lot of export orders, was how to get completed and all. So when they come trained from the institute, like we are sending or sometimes artisans comes here, they want this, and we send them, you learn there, then you come back here. So we don't spend our time to teach them in preliminary. When they comes in, then we have to fine tune according to the need of industry. So we save a lot of time.
That's great. That's great. So, sir, tell me on a grand scale now. IIGJ was one center that we ran trainings on under the STAR scheme, which subsidizes costs, and the training has been done on very industry-specific norms. And you, as an industry body in this sector, is employing. How do you see this ecosystem benefiting both training organizations and industry across various sectors going forward, and how the STAR scheme can benefit the country as a whole from a very employer's perspective?
This scheme which came, it's the best scheme for the artisans and for the country, for industry, and for many other sectors. And there is the artisans doesn't have to spend 3 to 4 years and learning, and they don't know whether learned or not. Now they can be 3 to 6 months, they know the basic, for the one course they can do this job. So the time span is becoming shorter. Number 2 is for industry to put up an industry setup. They will find easily the employees to work in the industry, which can bring the production line to be fast speed.
That's great. Thank you for your time. Thank you.